Well, hello, it's David again. Right, so interesting one this time. It's another figure accessory from Tory Factory, which is a newish brand which you'll see across my store and growing in number as I add more models and accessories to the store. I was attracted to this one because you don't see it very often. At least I've never seen anything quite like this sort of out there. What it is a set of 1/35th scale heads. I guess modern heads, I suppose, is the usual. I mean, I'm sure we've all seen lots and lots of heads for armor figures, for instance. There's lots and lots of those about, but I've never seen this level of detail on a set of modern heads. Yeah, if you do need this kind of head on a body and you don't have that, or you want to make a change to a figure, this set could be quite interesting. I must admit, when I saw it on the site, I was very intrigued because I do tend to do a lot of modern I guess modern dioramas, because it's all of this sort of fantasy and sci-fi post-apocalyptic stuff, and of course that tends to be set in modern day or the very near future, and a lot of the time you have real problems getting heads. Of course you put a lot of these guys in gas masks and other things like that, but it's an interesting option to not have that. So let's have a look at these guys for real. Let's see what the modelling is actually like compared to the box art. Now, so I'm looking at these not under magnification, but they do appear to be very well modelled indeed. As I say, this is again in 1/35th scale. You get 10 different kinds of heads. So let me bring this as close to the camera as I dare before we lose focus. So that is that side. You get that side as well. So if you have an application for these, or you've been looking for something that you have a body but you don't have the right head, then this might be something to have a look at. So the one that's upside down, she's the one with the long hair. Very interesting. Again, very interesting concept. I've never seen that before on my travels. So I was very keen to get hold of these, as I feel my heads in particular seem to be very hard or difficult, particularly if they're well modelled, which these do appear to be. Obviously, there's a guy on the end. There is. In fact, there's one on each end with different hairstyles. But to say for a pack of 10, I think you'll find many uses for these if you have an application, because that's the key with it, isn't it? If you think, I have a body, but I don't have a head, or I want to change a body and put a head on to give it some more interest, if you like. And this guy might be what you're actually looking for. So that is the head set. So you get 10 in the pack. It's in 1/35th scale. So they are from Tory Factory. It's a range of head in the head series. I've got a couple of these already on the store. I'll link to the others in the description, which you might want to check out if you've got some very specific needs. I'll leave it at that. We're going to have a look at the other videos, and you'll see exactly what I mean, because they are of a specific application, shall we say. But these guys could be quite interesting for a project that you're working on. So as always, any questions, any queries, do come back to me, and of course, keep on modelling.